what is aquaponics? It's actually one of the most sustainable ways of gardening that we can do now that grows food faster and uses less water. So it's a beautiful balance of everything that happens. The fish provide the fertilizer for the veggies, and the veggies filter the water for the fish. And it happens in a small little contained system where we're replicating nature, which is we're taking what happens in nature and putting it into a small space. I am super excited that you are here because I'm going to be showing you how to build your own small aquaponic system. Now, I know you might be thinking, you know, I'm sure I could work this out yourself, but here's the thing. You're not just paying to be able to build this one aquaponic system. I'm actually going to teach you the skills so that you can expand onto this. You can build a bigger aquaponic system. Once you work out the type of piping that you need and how it all works, how you put it together and the different filtration and everything that goes along with that, you'll be able to transfer that knowledge and build yourself a bigger system, fish. So I'm going to walk you through step by step what you're going to need, as in the parts that you're going to need, the tools that you're going to need, looking at where can you put your courtyard aquaponic system, literally step by step how to build it, and I guarantee within half a day you'll have this up and running. How to then make this into an ecosystem, so get the bacteria happening. I'm going to walk you through step by step everything you need to know to make this a simple, easy system that you can be growing heaps and heaps of food. So let's jump on in, hey? Let's get this happening.